Welcome to the Hosting Your Coupon Code channel. If you're looking for the best Hosting Your Hosting promo codes, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm using the Hosting Your Business web hosting plan as an example, but you can choose any hosting plan that fits your needs. When you purchase through my special partnership link with Hostinger, you'll get an extra 20% discount, while using just a regular coupon code gives only a 10% discount, so you can clearly see the difference in savings. I've used a 48-month duration to show you the best possible deal. Plus, you'll also get a free domain and 3 extra months added to your plan. If possible, always go with the longest duration for the maximum discount. For example, when I purchased a business hosting plan for $41 for 1 year, my renewal cost went up to around $95 per year. But if I had chosen the 4-year plan up front, I would have paid just $108 total for all 4 years. See the difference? So here's what you need to do. Click the link in the description or comment section, and you'll be redirected to the Hostinger website. Scroll down, choose the plan you want, or navigate using the Services tab and select the hosting plan that suits you best. I personally recommend the business plan, but all plans get the same extra discount. Also, try signing up with a new email address that hasn't been registered with Hostinger before to make sure you get the best deal. The prices in this video are shown in Indian rupees, but don't worry, the discounts apply globally, and when converted, the amount stays the same in your local currency. There are 2 checkout links in the description, one for India and one for the USA or worldwide users, so just pick the one that fits your region and enjoy your savings.